Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial or today's video is gonna be an introductions to the Google Keep application. Do you ever heard about Google Keep application? So this is the symbol of the Google Keep application. So actually Google Keep is one of Google products that help you to create notes easily and quick, and you can also access those notes everywhere and in any devices, just while you have an internet connection and the account that you logged in. So here, if you want to know more about the Google Keep, you just need to go into the App Store and go in the search button and just type a Google Keep on it, and there will be appear here. So make sure that you install this part, the Google Keep Notes and List. And now whenever you're done, you just need to go click download, and you just need to scrolling down. To understand more, you just need to go click this part, and you can see what exactly Google Keep is. So there will be a lot of information that you can get here: the capture, edit, share, and collaborate on your notes on any device and anywhere. You can also create the notes list, photos, or audio to keep on this application. You can also organize your notes with labels and color and so on and so on. And here, let's just jump into the applications. So you just need to go click Google Keep, and now to create the new notes, you just need to go click this plus button. And this plus button, you just need to type the titles that you want to add into the notes. For example, a shopping list. There you go. And after that, you just need to go start typing what exactly you want to have here. Like for example, go to the mall with my friend, and so on and so on. So whenever you're done, you just need to go back, and those notes will be automatically saved in here. So that's the way how to create notes in a Google Keep application. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.